Let me show you how I make my easy salad. If you're tired of that regular same old salad with iceberg lettuce, romaine lettuce, cucumber, and tomato, this is a salad that you will enjoy and you'll go to it time and time again. It's filled with nutrients and vitamins. This is a really good salad. So because I'm making a personal salad for myself today, the ingredients that we're going to use, I already have a red onion cut up that I'm going to put in my salad. Those red onions. We have some blueberries, some tomatoes. I have an apple. We're going to use some baby spinach with arugula in it. You can find this at Walmart. And we're going to use some, guess what? Coleslaw. Okay, that is the ingredients that I'm going to put in the salad. And plus we're going to have a protein topper. This has edamame in it, cranberries, cashews, sunflower seeds. You can use whatever protein that you want to put on top of your salad, to top it with, or in the inside. And for the dressing, we're going to have a little olive oil, honey, the juice of an orange, and the juice of a lemon. Okay, so first things first, we're going to get all of this washed up and prepped. And okay, so I am back. I have everything washed up and prepped. I like once I wash my vegetables, I like to put them on this tray so it can kind of drain the water. So I have everything right here in my apple. So this is very simple. I'm gonna get my bowl, put it right here. And you just start putting everything together. So in my bowl, I'm gonna go ahead and put my cabbage. And I do recommend, I used to buy a head of cabbage and I used to just grate it to little fine strips, and the carrots as well. But I find that it's easier to go ahead and buy the Coleslaw Tri Color blend, and that eliminates all of that extra work in shredding the cabbage and the carrots. So I put that in my bowl, and I'm gonna go ahead and chop up my spinach and arugula. I like it kind of finely chopped. And this salad is good, guys. Very simple, easy to make. Doesn't take long. I like to chop it really fine. And then you just put this on top of your coleslaw mix. If you have any herbs and any type of spices that you want, you can also put that in to give it a little spice. And I take a few tomatoes like this. This is a bowl of salad that I'm gonna eat just for myself, so I'm not making it for everyone. You just slice the tomatoes in half. However many tomatoes that you would like in your salad. And you just put that in your salad. I like a lot of tomatoes, so I'm gonna put 2 more. This salad is very satisfying. Okay, so I got my tomatoes, my coleslaw, and my spinach and arugula. The next thing I'm gonna add is some red onions. If you don't like onions in your salad, you can eliminate this process, but I like red onions in my salad. It just makes it taste really good. You just chop it up. Enough. You don't really need a lot of onions, just whatever your preference is. I had an onion already peeled and chopped up that I used earlier. The next thing I'm gonna do is cut my green apple in half. Let me go ahead and rinse this off because I did just chop some onions and I don't want to transfer that onion paste to my apple. Because I'm going to just use half of this apple. If you had a small apple, that would be enough, but I'm just going to use half. And this is a Granny Smith apple. And we just chop it up in chunks. Need. This is a filling salad. And then the next thing I'm gonna add is the blueberries. You can put how many blueberries you want. I normally use maybe half a cup of blueberries, but you can put how many in that you want. Okay, so all of that is in. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the topper. See how easy this salad is to make? I'm going to add the topper. You can use whatever nuts you want to put in it. Most of the time I put cranberries and walnuts, but I found this brand at Walmart and it was perfect for this salad. So you just put a few in your salad. That's all it takes. See how that looks? A nice, delicious salad. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and make the dressing. I use a tablespoon of olive oil, extra virgin olive oil. And I can just about look and see what a tablespoon is. But that's what you would use, a tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to use a tablespoon of honey. It depends on how sweet you want it, or you can use actually 1 teaspoon of honey. Depends on how sweet you want it. You're going to use 1 orange. You're going to squeeze the juice. Squeeze the juice in. Now this dressing is good, but you can also get a dressing that is already prepared if you like. When I do that, I normally use vinaigrette types of dressing. It comes out perfect if you want to already bulk dressing. Okay, and next we're going to add the lemon, the juice of 1 lemon. It just depends on your preference of dressing that you would like. Like I said, pairs with whatever type of dressing, whatever you like. Okay. You just mix it up. You can, this is where you would add the spices, your herbs. You would put it in your dressing. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some black pepper. And you can put some fresh herbs. And you can taste it to see how sweet it is. This is perfect. You taste the orange, the lemon, the honey. Mix that up. Then you pour it on the salad. Now y'all, this salad is really enough for two. So you just have to do the measurements, right? And there it is. Alright, if you like this video, please follow me on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. And thanks for watching.